Thank you very much, Senior Counsel, and thank you, members of the press, for coming here to witness one of the biggest cases in the history of our justice system in Kenya. I stand here with colleagues that believe in justice. I stand here as a parent of young Kenyans and representing many, many other parents. I stand here as a Christian leader who believes in biblical justice, and on behalf of all religious groups in Kenya, including Muslims and Hindus who believe in justice. I also stand here on behalf of civil society groups and all law-abiding citizens and those who defend the rights of the marginalized and oppressed. We file this case so that this matter can be escalated to the international community, and I hope that envoys receiving this, that international media, and all that are concerned with what has been happening in Kenya will escalate this so that the whole world knows that Kenya has become a police state that kills its citizens, abducts them, tortures them, and then charges the young people for terrorism. We have seen police arrest innocent Kenyans simply asking for accountability, pull them like they did Albert Ojwang from his home in South Nyanza, bring him more than 300 kilometers to Nairobi, kill him, and then lie that he killed himself. We have witnessed during the demonstrations of 2024 and 2025, which are entrenched in the Constitution, Article 37 and others, young people armed only with bottles of water and placards, peacefully asking for a better country. They are arrested, shot at with live ammunition, and killed, maimed, and then abandoned as if nothing ever happened. But the perpetrators continue. The police and hired goons, as the bosses of security in this country, watch with calm detachment. As a citizen, and on behalf of all well-meaning citizens of Kenya, I say this cannot be allowed to continue, will not be allowed by me and other Kenyans who love justice. We will push it to the highest justice level possible. And like Esther of old, we will go for this, and if we perish, we perish. We are here to defend the people of Kenya in keeping with the Constitution, and we'll be celebrating this Constitution that we got in 2010. We have the 15th anniversary this coming August, and I hope this case becomes a landmark marker of the significance of the supreme law of this country vis-a-vis the Constitution. Like Wakili has said, the Rome Statutes, and indeed if you look at the United Nations provisions for the human dignity and the rights of citizens, you can be sure that this government has systematically violated all of them and killed at will, including violating Article 26 of our Constitution that guarantees right to life. We stand here today to file this case, believing that action will be taken soon and that the court will grant us leave to proceed to the highest possible level. Having exhausted all the Kenyan options, we will have no other choice but to push it all the way to the International Criminal Court. I want to thank my lawyer for such a splendid job of drafting and capturing my ideas. And I want to thank all my wonderful friends from civil society for walking with me this road. Naamini kwamba haki itapatikana na utu wa Wakenya utaweza kudumishwa. Asante sana. Kwa lugha ya Kiswahili, kwa niaba yangu binafsi kama mzazi na kwa niaba yangu kama kiongozi wa imani ya Kikristo, kwa niaba yangu kama mwanaharakati wa kutetea haki za kibinadamu na hasa wale wanaonyanyaswa, na kwa niaba ya wale ambao wameuawa kinyama na serikali ya Kenya kwa sababu ya kutafuta haki na nchi ambayo inashughulikia maslahi ya vijana, nimekuja hapa pamoja na wakili wangu Gitobu Imanyara na marafiki zangu kutoka civil society kama vile Babu Alamin Kimathi na wengine kusema kwamba tunapinga ukatili wa serikali ya Kenya kwa wananchi wake. Tunapinga ukatili wa polisi kunyanyasa wananchi na kuwaua kiholela, alafu kudai kwamba hao ndio terrorists. Serikali yetu, polisi na wale viongozi wake ndio terrorist wa kwanza, wana terrorize wananchi. Na tumekuja hapa kusema kwamba hatutaruhusu kama wananchi, kwa sababu katiba inaturuhusu kutetea hiyo haki, ikiwemo haki ya kuwa hai katika ibara ya 26. Na nasema kwamba ikiwa serikali haitapokea ombi hili la mashtaka kama vile imepuuzwa na yule mwenye mashtaka mkuu, basi itabidi tupeleke mashtaka haya kwenye koti kuu ya dunia ICC. Tunaomba Wakenya mtuombee, mtushike mkono, haki ipatikane na wale wakubwa wa mambo ya usalama wafunguliwe mashtaka na wafungwe. Naomba kwamba Mungu awabariki nyote na awabariki Kenya. Tulinde haki, utu na wananchi ulio sawa sawa.
Copies of the petition